Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at what does this car crashing icon means on your dashboard. So you can see right here on my dashboard it's got a two car crashing icon. So what this icon means is that your car has a built-in forward collision warning, and at the moment it is switched off, and that is the reason why it is showing on the dashboard. Now if we are switching it off, or if we switching it on, then that will goes away. So let's take a look. So if I go down to forward collision avoidance, some other manufacturers might call it warning, so it's depending on the car manufacturer. So all you have to do is if you turn this on, then that symbol will go away. Otherwise, if you turn it off, the symbol will come on to give you a warning to tell you that you have turned off the system, and you might want to activate the feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now if after you have turned on but the icon or the symbol still shown on your dashboard, it could be the sensor is dirty or something. Maybe you want to give your car a good wash and wash around your car, make sure that all the sensor doesn't have any dirt, and clean all the sensor around your car, and hopefully that will go away. Thank you for watching this video.